Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you essential knowledge about health and effective self-care. In today's video, we will explore an extremely important topic: kidney failure. The kidneys play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of substances in the body, and when their function declines, our bodies send early warning signals. These signs can appear silently, but if recognized in time, you can prevent and effectively treat this dangerous disease. Join us as we uncover the 15 early warning signs of kidney failure, so you can protect your health and that of your loved ones. Let's get started. 1. Fatigue and lack of energy. When the kidneys are not functioning effectively, they cannot remove toxins and waste from the blood, leading to the accumulation of harmful substances in the body, causing fatigue. The kidneys produce erythropoietin, EPO, hormone, which helps create red blood cells. Anemia can reduce the amount of oxygen supplied to the organs, causing shortness of breath, especially during physical activity. When the kidneys fail, the amount of EPO decreases, leading to anemia and causing the body to lack energy. Kidney failure can also cause electrolyte imbalances in the body, affecting basic cellular functions and causing fatigue. To prevent and manage kidney failure, regular health checkups are recommended if you experience prolonged fatigue with no clear cause. 2. Swollen or puffy eyes. Swollen or puffy eyes are one of the early signs of kidney failure. This symptom can easily be overlooked or mistaken for other health issues. Weakened kidneys can lead to water and salt retention in the body, causing edema. Excess water and salt accumulate under the skin, especially in soft areas like around the eyes. When the kidneys are damaged, they may not filter protein effectively, leading to protein loss in the urine, proteinuria. A deficiency of protein in the blood reduces osmotic pressure, causing swelling, particularly around the eyes. Eye swelling can be mild or severe, usually most noticeable in the morning after waking up. The skin under the eyes appears puffy or swollen. The degree of swelling may change throughout the day, often lessening after waking and becoming more noticeable by the end of the day. Don't forget to hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for more useful health information. 3. Easy bruising. Easy bruising is one of the early signs of kidney failure and can indicate serious health issues. Weak kidneys can affect the production of erythropoietin, a hormone essential for red blood cell production. This can lead to anemia, making the body more susceptible to bruising. When the kidneys are not functioning efficiently, toxins are not filtered out of the body and can damage small blood vessels, making the skin prone to bruising. Kidney failure can lead to an imbalance of nutrients and vitamins necessary for blood vessel and skin health, making them more vulnerable to damage. Bruises may appear without any clear impact or injury, and they take longer to heal than usual. The bruises can be larger and darker in color compared to typical bruises. 4. Feeling cold. Feeling cold is one of the early signs of kidney failure and can indicate serious health issues. When the kidneys weaken, their ability to filter waste and toxins from the blood diminishes, leading to the accumulation of toxins in the body. This can cause anemia, as the kidneys reduce the production of erythropoietin, a hormone necessary for red blood cell production. Anemia decreases the oxygen supply to tissues and organs in the body, causing a feeling of coldness, even in warm environments. Electrolyte imbalances and circulation issues can also contribute to this feeling of coldness. 5. Bleeding gums. Bleeding gums are one of the early signs of kidney failure and can indicate serious health issues. When kidneys do not function effectively, toxins accumulate in the body, affecting gum health. Kidney failure can lead to blood clotting disorders, making gums more prone to injury and bleeding. Anemia due to kidney failure also reduces the oxygen supply to tissues, including gums, making them weaker and more susceptible to inflammation. Frequent gum inflammation and bleeding when brushing or eating are signs to watch for. 6. Reduced urine output. Reduced urine output is one of the early signs of kidney failure and can indicate serious health issues. When the kidneys weaken, their ability to filter waste and water from the body diminishes, leading to reduced urine output. This can cause the accumulation of toxins and water in the body, resulting in symptoms like edema, fatigue, and difficulty breathing. Reduced urine output may be accompanied by the urge to urinate but with little success. 7. Frequent infections. Frequent infections, especially urinary tract infections, UTIs, are one of the early signs of kidney failure. This can indicate serious health issues. When the kidneys weaken, their ability to filter and eliminate waste and bacteria from the body decreases. This makes the immune system less effective, making the body more susceptible to infections. UTIs can occur more frequently because bacteria can easily enter and thrive in the urinary environment. It can cause symptoms such as pain during urination, frequent urination, and foul-smelling urine. Kidney failure reduces the production of certain hormones and proteins essential for the immune system, increasing the risk of infections. 8. Pale skin. Pale skin is one of the early signs of kidney failure and can indicate serious health issues. When the kidneys weaken, their ability to produce erythropoietin, a hormone necessary for red blood cell production, diminishes, leading to anemia. Anemia reduces the oxygen supply to tissues and organs in the body, causing the skin to become pale or lose color. The accumulation of waste products and toxins in the body due to inefficient kidney filtration can also make the skin appear pale. Pale skin is often accompanied by fatigue, weakness, and shortness of breath. 9. Nocturia. Nocturia, or frequently waking up at night to urinate, is one of the early signs of kidney failure and can indicate serious health issues. When the kidneys weaken, their ability to filter and remove waste from the blood is compromised, leading to the production of more urine at night. This can cause you to wake up frequently at night to urinate. Increased urine production at night may be due to the kidney's inability to maintain fluid and electrolyte balance in the body. Nocturia can be a sign of other issues such as diabetes, heart disease, or urinary tract infections. If you frequently wake up to urinate at night and feel tired or uncomfortable during the day, it could be a sign of kidney failure. 10. Loss of appetite. Loss of appetite is one of the early signs of kidney failure and can indicate serious health issues. When the kidneys weaken, their ability to filter waste and toxins from the blood diminishes, leading to the accumulation of toxins in the body. This can cause feelings of nausea, discomfort, and a loss of interest in food. Changes in hormone balance and chemicals in the body can also affect appetite. Kidney failure can also reduce the production of erythropoietin, causing anemia and making you feel tired and lose your appetite. 11. Taste changes. Taste changes are one of the early signs of kidney failure and can significantly impact quality of life. When kidneys do not function effectively, toxins accumulate in the body. This buildup of waste can affect taste, making food taste different or metallic. Kidney failure can cause an imbalance of minerals and electrolytes in the body, affecting taste sensation. Kidney failure can lead to anemia, reducing the oxygen supply to cells, including those related to taste. Food may taste metallic or unusual. You may lose interest in food, finding it less enjoyable than before. Taste preferences may change, leading to new likes or dislikes in food. 12. Unexplained weight loss. Unexplained weight loss is one of the early signs of kidney failure and can indicate serious health issues. When the kidneys weaken, the body cannot effectively remove waste and toxins, leading to an imbalance in the body. The accumulation of toxins can cause nausea, loss of appetite, and eventually weight loss. Kidney failure can reduce the body's ability to absorb nutrients, causing the body to lose essential substances needed to maintain weight. A deficiency in important hormones and chemicals can also affect metabolism, leading to unexplained weight loss. 13. Difficulty concentrating. Difficulty concentrating is one of the early signs of kidney failure and can indicate serious health issues. When the kidneys weaken, their ability to filter waste and toxins from the blood diminishes, leading to the accumulation of toxins in the body. This can affect the brain and nervous system, causing difficulty concentrating and memory loss. Kidney failure can cause anemia due to reduced production of erythropoietin, a hormone necessary for red blood cell production, leading to reduced oxygen supply to the brain and cognitive problems. Fatigue and weakness from kidney failure can also contribute to difficulty concentrating and poor memory. 14. Muscle spasms. Muscle spasms are one of the early signs of kidney failure and can indicate serious health issues. When the kidneys weaken, their ability to balance electrolytes in the body is affected, leading to abnormal levels of minerals such as calcium, potassium, and sodium. This imbalance can cause frequent muscle spasms or cramps. Reduce the ability to remove waste products from the body, leading to the accumulation of toxins in the muscles and causing muscle problems. Muscle spasms can occur suddenly and uncontrollably, causing discomfort and affecting the quality of life. 15. Rapid or irregular heartbeat. Rapid or irregular heartbeat is one of the early signs of kidney failure and can indicate serious health issues. When the kidneys weaken, their ability to balance electrolytes and regulate blood pressure is affected, leading to cardiovascular problems. Potassium levels in the blood can rise, causing rapid or irregular heartbeats. This can result in feelings of palpitations, strong heartbeats, or the sensation of the heart skipping a beat. Weakened kidneys can reduce the production of erythropoietin, a hormone necessary for red blood cell production, leading to anemia and making the heart work harder to pump blood, causing rapid heartbeat. 8 good living habits for kidney failure patients, helping you maintain health and improve quality of life. 1. Maintain a balanced diet. Limit salt, potassium, and phosphorus in the daily menu. Increase green vegetables and nutritious foods. 2. Drink enough water. Avoid drinking too much or too little water and follow your doctor's instructions. Avoid carbonated soft drinks and water containing many stimulants. 3. Control blood pressure. Regularly check your blood pressure and take medication as directed by your doctor. Do gentle exercises like walking or yoga. 4. Blood sugar management. Check your blood sugar regularly if you have diabetes. Adhere to your diet and diabetes medications. 5. Avoid smoking and drinking alcohol. Limit or completely stop smoking and drinking alcohol. Consult your doctor to get the necessary support. 6. Monitor your weight. Maintain a healthy weight by eating healthy and exercising regularly. Avoid gaining or losing weight too quickly. 7. Follow the medication schedule. Take medication on time and in the correct dose as prescribed by your doctor. Regular medical examination and kidney function tests. 8. Stay optimistic. Practice relaxation techniques such as meditation or deep breathing. Maintain positive social relationships and seek support from family and friends. Recognizing the early signs of kidney failure is crucial for protecting your health and the health of your loved ones. If you notice any of the symptoms we've shared, don't hesitate to consult a doctor for timely advice and treatment. Health is the most precious asset, so take care of and listen to your body. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable health tips and updates. See you in the next videos. Thank you for watching. Wishing you all good health.